So right here I have the Sapphire Edge Control. The link will be in the description if you guys want to purchase this specific edge control. Then next I am going to show you guys the edge control brush. It has a brush side and a comb side. Lastly is a scarf. It is 100% silk scarf. I highly recommend that you do use a silk scarf when you're trying to lay your edges. So right now I'm going to take the comb side and I'm going to comb my hair forward. So I'll just keep combing my hair forward until I grab the edge control. So now I am getting the edge control and I'm putting it on my finger. I'm going to put a lot on my finger just so I can lay it all the way across my edges. So now I am taking the comb part and making like a swoop. I'm pulling the hair forward and swooping it back straight, and then I'm taking my finger and I'm going over it. And I'm going to keep doing that all through the video. So now I'm taking the brush and I'm going over the swoops with the brush side. And I'm going to do this for each swoop that I did. Go over it with the brush. And lastly, I'm going to put the scarf around my edges and I'm going to tie it really, really tight. And I'm going to keep it on there for at least 5 minutes. The silk scarf really helps. Like I said in the description, I will post everything that I have and you can purchase them on your own. But the silk scarf is very important when trying to lay your edges. So this is how it looks when I take off the scarf. And voila, there you have it. Some lay edges, okay? So if you like this video, do not forget to like and subscribe. Yeah, also Gemstone Hair Care in the link. If you want to purchase the edge control, you can purchase it. I also supply the silk scarf, 100% silk scarf, the edge control brush, the edge control, and some oil. If you want to get the whole set, go ahead and click the link in my bio. Thank you.